Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of different subscription boxes and just kind of hang out and talk to you. So if that's something you enjoy and you want to get to know me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you become a part of our YouTube family. As you can see today, we have the Ipsy Open Studios for April 2022. We have the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. We're going to get into this. I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Ipsy. So the theme this month for April 2022 is Keep Growing. And I think one thing that is neat, it says the April's Glam Bag is made with recycled fabric. So spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. So we'll start with the regular Glam Bag. It's kind of canvasy and so springy. Love the daisies. It's a little pull daisy tab. So this is a $13 a month beauty subscription. You receive 5 sample size, sometimes full size items. You are able to go in and customize one of the items for this bag. So let's dive in and see what I got for April. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is from Way. This is their body cream. I love their leave-in conditioner for your hair, and I've actually had the body cream before, and it smells just like it. It smells divine. There's a little safety seal. Oh, it smells so good. This is going on my nightstand. I'm so excited to have that. All right, and then next, this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Love samples like this. You get to try products and see if you like them. That's the point of Ipsy, right? The next item is from Wander Beauty. This is their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I've had the full size of this. I think it's a really good mascara, and it does give you some volume and curl, like it says it does. All right. Next, we have got from Foxy Bay, Instabay 3-minute hair mask. I've had this before. Smells fantastic. Leaves your hair feeling like silk. And our final item is from Carmela Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick. And we got the shade Divine. So let's see what this looks like. Very sleek packaging. Oh, that's a beautiful nude. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. And that's full size. Oh, and magnetic. I love when they're magnetic. Love that. Yo, this is like seriously one of the best Ipsy bags ever. We got 2 makeup items. We got a skincare item, a hair care item, and a body care item. This was a great variety. And they're all really good brands. All right. I see it. See? You're coming for it. Really good bag. Really, really good bag. I'm like very happy with that. All right. So then we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This bag is super adorable as well. It feels kind of like nylon, but again, going with the daisy theme. Now the Glam Bag Plus is $28 a month. You get 5 full-size items. You're actually able to select 3 of them. Ipsy will choose 2, and then you get to customize the other 3 items. Pretty good deal. So let's open this drawstring bag and see what I got. All right, so the first item is a brush set from Farrah Brushes. Absolutely stunning, and it has the daisies on the brushes, y'all. So let's get this open. Well, I don't see how to open it. Let me get my little box cutter because, scissors, because I don't see how to open it. I'm still kind of blown away The $13 bag. Oh, these feel nice. Shedding. So there's your brushes. And again, the handles. Are those not adorable? I love those. Off to a good start for the Glam bag. Alright, and then from Butter, Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub, Triple Action Clay Mask, Foam Cleanser, and Deep Exfoliator. Love that. I love when products are like 2 or 3 or 12 in one. That's fantastic. So I'm excited to give this a try. And then from Hip Dot, Liquid and Kohl Liner, Midnight Black. Go figure, black eyeliner. Let's see. So this is going to be a dual-ended liner. So we have here a liquid liner, and then you can roll up and you have your retractable crayon type liner. And then next, oh, this is from House Laboratories. This is a lip gloss in Blaze. Oh, that is, okay, first of all, I love the packaging, but that is not the color I expected at all. That is beautiful. Based on the name, I would have expected a totally different color, but that is extremely pretty. Like, I will definitely use that for sure. And then our final product, let's see, we have a palette from Mishko Beauty. This is a blush palette. Oh, this is pretty. That might be a little bright. Let me pull this up so that there's not such a glare. Oh, are there fingerprints in that? These bottom shades are gorgeous. This is a little loud for me. I like that as a topper. Can you guys see? This one that I was saying is kind of loud. Almost looks like it has 2 fingerprints in it. I don't know. Could just be me. But there, can you see it? It almost looks like 2 fingerprints. I don't know. These bottom 2 are very pretty. Very, very pretty. So that is what we received in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April 2022. I think they were both really good, but in my personal opinion, the Glam Bag, the $13 Glam Bag wins this month. I think that the variety of products, the brands, and the type of product, just the colors and just everything, I loved. I loved everything in that bag. I really like everything in the second bag. The lip gloss, the brushes, again, good variety. Love this. Let me know what you think down below. What did you get in your Ipsy Glam Bag and your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Were we twins? Did you select any of these same products? I love hearing from you guys. Before we go today, I am also going to share a few products I received in PR that were very kindly sent to me from Treat Beauty. If you're not familiar with Treat Beauty, it is actually a jumbo lip balm company. It's not a subscription. They literally have these huge jumbo lip balms. They also have lip scrubs. I think they have tinted lip balms as well. But they very kindly sent me over 3 different lip balms to try. And I am ready to open them and see what I got. So I'll put a link to Treat Beauty down below. Definitely check them out. I believe that all of the lip balms are $13.99. So it's really not a bad deal for the size, and I'm going to show you here in a second. Alright, so this first one I opened is Angel Food Cake. Did you see how big it is? See how big it is? It's huge. I mean, it's ginormous for a lip balm. We got Angel Food Cake. And then And then we have one more. It's really big. I'm excited about that. Red Velvet Cake color stick. Oh, so this is one of the tinted ones. Oh, I'm excited. So I am super excited to give those a try. I love the concept behind it, and y'all, when I tell you that they have got so many different like flavors or scents, however you want to call it, they've got like sky's the limit. If you can think of a flavor or something that you would want in a lip balm, Treat Beauty's got it. So again, I'll put a link for them down below, as well as a link to Ipsy. So let me know what you thought of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for being here and spending a little bit of time with me. I do appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. Until the next one.